Okay guys, here we go. So I don't know if you've already tried replacing your serpentine belt and maybe you just can't remember how it goes back on there, but here's the diagram right here. There's the diagram right there for a 2002 Ford F150, 4.6 liter, 5.4 liter, and 4.2 liter. Okay, that's how it goes on. Now if you want to do it yourself and don't know how, it's very easy. It's so easy that I'm just going to tell you how to do it because I don't need to change my belt right now. So that's going to be another video whenever I feel like taking it off. But it's so easy I could just tell you how to do it, okay? So basically what you want to do is, just to give yourself some more room, you want to take this clamp off. You just get some pliers and squeeze it and wiggle it off and take this hose off and pull it back. Okay, just push it back. You just have to take this one end. You don't have to take the whole thing off. Just take this one end off and pull it back. And then if you want to, you could take your air filter thing off as well and push that back a little bit. Okay, just to give yourself some more room so you can stick your hands in here and work with your tools. So really all you need is just one screw on one of these pulleys. If you look down here, you'll see a pulley with a screw on it. Okay, let's see if it focuses. But there's a pulley down here. It has a screw on it. So all you have to do is just get the right size socket or the right size wrench and put it on there. And when you push it down, when you turn it, it's going to loosen this up. It's going to loosen the belt up. Okay. So when it loosens the belt up, you can just take your belt off, put the other one on. You might need some help. You might need another person to hold that pulley down because it's spring loaded. So you got to be careful, okay? So when you push it down, if you let go, it's going to spring back. All right, and you might hurt your knuckles or something. But yeah, that's how easy it is. It's just one screw down there on that pulley. So all you have to do is get the right wrench or the right socket and push it. Pull it, or not pull it, push, but you turn it. And you'll know what I'm talking about. When you turn it, you'll feel it like push a little bit, right? Because it's spring loaded. And that's it. That is it. Okay? So once again, let's go to this diagram. Like I said, because once you take it off, if you forget how it goes back on, then if you don't got no diagram, well then that's it. So here's the diagram. One more time. 2002 Ford F150, 4.6 liter, 4.2 liter. And like I said, it's so easy changing your serpentine belt. You just have to maybe take this off and take that hose off, reach down there, get that screw and turn that screw, and you'll feel what I'm talking about when it moves. When it moves, you'll see it loosens up that belt, and then you can put another one on. And that's it. Very simple, very easy. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day.